no problem. So number 8, Kedima's priorities regarding mitzvah performance. It is interesting to know the halacha of Kedima's priorities is not limited to giving tzedakah. For example, one who has opportunity to honor someone with performance of the mitzvah should give that honor to his relatives prior to someone else. There is the honor of being sandek at the breeze. Okay, so let's do this piece from the beginning, and we're going to explain. Again, topic, priorities regarding mitzvah performance. So many times for a mitzvah you have to pay money. Like if there are many people wants the honor, right? So one more time, it is interesting to know that halacha of Kedima's priority is not limited to giving tzedakah, right? Meaning maybe here even without money. For example, one has opportunity to honor someone with performance of the mitzvah should give the honor to the relatives prior to someone else, right? The honor of being sandek at the breeze. So meaning the sandek, the guy who sits and holds the baby. It's very interesting. So he's the only guy that is sitting. So that's the honor. Like in the Beis Hamikdash, only king from Yehuda would sit. All others, including Kohen Gadol, everybody would stand. Very interesting. Everybody would stand. Only this king. So the respect to this person. So like the one who is sitting, you should give it to relatives, of course. And we have this like people struggling, the young couples, that they want to give to a father. Right? I mean, the father insists like he's the biggest tzaddik, and he's not Shomer Shabbos. That's the problem. You understand? So and they say no, the family pressure, this pressure, that pressure. Of course, there is always a solution to the problem. So if you invite some big rabbi, somebody very respectful, so this father should give in, right? That would be proper. But if you take somebody from a call because he's a big tzaddik and he's holy man, it's not going to work very well with this father. You understand? But it's very improper to give this honor of this sandek to somebody who is not Shomer Shabbos or Mitzvah. Right? Why? Because it says that it's a spiritual moment when the baby is being circumcised. So he gets these character traits of that person. So he can inherit character traits of this person. And of course, you don't want him inherit the character traits of this even relatives, but he's not Shomer Shabbos and not Shomer Mitzvahs. Okay. Continue. Other halachas of Kedimas. We will now discuss other issues involving priorities, to whom one must first give his tzedakah.